All right, so huge news today. Fannie Mae announced that they are going to open up a low down payment program of 5% for multi-unit properties. So that's 2, 3, and 4 unit properties, 5% down for primary residence. So you have to live there. This is not for investors who are going to buy and rent out the home. If you're looking to buy a multi-unit property, live in one of the units, and rent out the other units, Fannie Mae, effective November 18th, is going to open up the program for 5% down. You can start actually applying for the loans November 1st, or even now we can get you ready, but we can't actually run you through the system to make sure you're approved until November 1st. But if you want to get a low down payment, conventional loan, not deal with the FHA low down payment also, but FHA has such stringent requirements on the property, and they also have a self-sufficiency test. This program is going to bring so many opportunities to buyers that had strong credit but had a low down payment and couldn't pass the FHA self-sufficiency. So this is huge news. If you were looking to get a multi-unit or you're thinking about buying a multi-unit, now's the time. Use this low down payment program to, start your generational wealth, get into, being a homeowner and being able to rent out the units. It's a phenomenal opportunity. Well, if you're looking right now to buy a multi-unit, and let's say you're in contract and you have to close in a couple of weeks, well, this program's not available until November 18th. But if you're currently looking and you can hold off a little bit or get a closing date, I would say December 1st, then you can put in a contract. You're going to have strong credit and reserves, but 5% down's allowed, and you can get a 3% seller credit. So if you're in the process now of just looking and know that you can put a closing date out past the 18th, it would need to be a couple weeks past November 18th so that we can get the appraisal done, the application signed, and you approved. But let's say you put in an offer November 1st. We can still get you approved for it. It just formally isn't allowed to close until after the 18th of November. So hopefully you can wait a little bit if you are looking at a 3 and 4 unit, because the 5% down program is just phenomenal. It's the biggest change in lending in over 20 years, this announcement by Fannie Mae. So Fannie Mae is the one who announced the low down payment. It wouldn't surprise me if Freddie Mac follows suit, but for right now, it's just Fannie Mae. Hit the subscribe button and follow me for more tips on my YouTube channel.